Do not, do not, repeat not, capital letters not, become an estate agent if one of these three things. Firstly, I interview people and they say, oh, I want to be an agent because I like people. Well, if you like people, go and drive a bus. Becoming an estate agent to see people, no, not going to work. Secondly, I want to become an estate agent, but I want to keep my day job. No. You do not try real estate. Real estate will try you. It is a full-time profession. It is not a handbag, half-time, part-time day job. And thirdly, if you need money, you do not how to make $1 million in real estate. Start with 2. It is a business that can take a long, long time and a lot of resources from yourself and finances before you get off the ground. Even if you're with a top company, it doesn't matter. It is not the type of business you go into because you need money now. It's not going to work. But is it a beautiful career? Absolutely. Is it an amazing business? Absolutely. Can you do very well? Yes. But you have to be 100% committed. Happy selling.